Hey team, what's happening? To the untrained person, riding a balance board looks fairly precarious. However, there are some moves that seem outright to confuse people. One of those moves is called the counterbalance. If you're comfortable enough on the balance board to give this one a shot, let's get into it. If you're thinking of attempting this trick, you should already know how to do a hang 10 maneuver and squat in that position. I have a video if you want to know how. To start, get in the hang 10 position. Squat down and grab the end of the board with one or two hands. Ideally, try not to grab it at the very end. From here, straighten your arms and lean slightly back while you slide your feet forward. The more you extend your legs, the more impressive this trick will look. Make sure to both lean back and push forward. We'll get into why in just a little bit. Safety with this trick is pretty simple. If you're falling, keep your hands and feet in place and just go down with the ship. But be mindful of where you place your hands since you can crush your fingers if you're not careful. Place your hands close enough to the end that you'll get the most amount of leverage, but not so close that your fingers will get crushed if you fall. You can also place your hands on the side. Just make sure that your roller doesn't crush them. This trick should not work. The balance board is a seesaw, and what happens when you place all of your weight on one side of the seesaw? Well, you fall. It's counterintuitive from what we all remember of how to balance when we were kids on a seesaw. Maybe that's why we call it a counterbalance. However, it does work. Because you're pulling up on the board on the same side you're pushing down, as long as your center of mass is over the roller, you're good. This is why you need to lean back and push forward at the same time. One movement counteracts the other. Another reason why this is called a counterbalance. Keep in mind, it's intimidating to first push your feet out from under you. Just know that physics will do its job and you'll be safe. It's also worth noting that this move takes a fair amount of grip and shoulder strength, so be aware of that. If you remember the steps of going down with the ship and putting your hands in the correct spot, you'll be well on your way to mastering this move. Good luck, this is one of the cool looking moves, so I hope you guys get it. Please subscribe for more tricks and skill toy tutorials and adventures. Thank you all for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.